Okay guys, got a 2004 Chevy here. So this has a u0107 throttle body. So first thing we did was took the cover off, took the hose off, inspect the wires right here, follow the wires back. I looked online a little bit. There is a gentleman has a schematic showing where this ground wire goes. It's black with a white stripe. And so right before I even jumped into anything, I just jumped back here and reached my hand back and I followed this harness here, and you can see it right there. It was broke. So the question is why did it break? It could have got chewed, maybe right there by a mouse or something, but I suspect a bad motor mount because the torque of the engine is so tight. I reached down and found this piece. You can't barely see it, but there it is. It's still connected. It just broke right off. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this. We're gonna clear this code. Hopefully that takes care of the throttle body, and it looks like it will. But instead of just fixing it, I'm gonna add an extra inch or two of wire, and I am gonna check these motor mounts because this engine will twist, and I suspect that that's what broke that wire. So I hope this helps you out too. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.